Hi everyone, welcome to Delphi's How-To Series videos. I'm Clay Pennington, Senior Product Specialist here at Delphi Product and Service Solutions. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the old fuel pump wire harness or pigtail with a new one that may be supplied with your kit. Wire harness is essential to make sure your new fuel pump will operate properly. We always put safety first, so make sure you wear your safety glasses and have a fire extinguisher on hand. Start by disconnecting the battery first and then disconnecting the wire harness from the fuel pump. Luckily for demonstration purposes, we have a harness that came off the vehicle, and we can do this on the bench to show you. So you'll need to remove about a foot of the wire harness and conduit from the old wire harness before you start cutting. Make sure you're only dealing with the one 4-wire connector for the fuel pump module and not the fuel pump's fuel pressure sensor connector. So start by cutting the first wire from the connector about 2 inches away from the connector and then stagger the rest of your cuts about 1.5 inches. Now we have the old pigtail removed and we can move on to start replacing it with the new one. If the wire colors aren't identical to the car and the new connector, refer to the wiring diagram that's also supplied with the kit. Once you've determined the wire pattern and the wire colors you'll have to connect to, you can then start stripping and cutting the new connector to match the old wiring harness. Once you have your wires cut and staggered, you can then move on to stripping the wires before putting on the connectors. Now it's time to start crimping. The connectors are 2 different sizes for the larger wires for the ground and the supply for the fuel pump, and the smaller ones for the fuel sending unit. Make sure you crimp them firmly, and make sure you don't get any of the insulation trapped in between the electrical connector crimp. So, to heat shrink these connectors, you want to make sure you use a heat gun, not any open flame source. Also, be sure to keep it away from any fuel spills that may have occurred. Make sure you get that fire extinguisher on hand. Heat gun works pretty good as long as you have a nice high quality heat gun. And it'll be completely finished when you see the glue start coming out of the connector itself. It means it's sealed. Now you've got a finished product, staggered connections, nice weather-tight seals. Finish up by reinserting it into the conduit, wrapping up with any electrical tape that you need, and you're all set. You're all done. Now you can be confident that new fuel pump will have a secure connection for the life of the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other Delphi how-to series videos that can help save you time in your shop every day.